and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Exercises that will help you to have a vaginal delivery. Pregnancy is indeed a blessing, but it comes with intense pain that no one can even explain in words. Every woman who had experienced vaginal delivery says that at the moment of labor, you just want to get over it as soon as possible. In a study, it is stated that labor pain is almost similar to 160 broken bones of your body. So it's indeed a superpower that women have with them while performing vaginal delivery. Vaginal delivery is priority over C-section. The fact that this is very harsh is that the pain is sometimes unbearable that the mother has to go with C-section delivery. It eases the process of delivery, but it also comes with some complications. After the effects of C-section can be traumatizing for some ladies. Doctors have vaginal delivery on the priority list. But if the circumstances will not allow to go for natural birth, then incisions are going to take place on your skin. All these things are merely on women's hand, but they can decide which way they want to deliver their baby. Exercises can help you for vaginal delivery. The best way to make your body for vaginal delivery is to take up the exercises. Exercise during pregnancy not only helps in body posture but also decides your delivery method. So here are some exercises that you can consider for vaginal delivery. Remember to ask your doctor before going further in any physical activity. During first trimester, your family members and elders will advise you against any strenuous activity, and that's correct. Ask your doctor and take advice for the same. Do very low intensity exercises if your doctor allows for the same. Warm up before starting. Stretch your body and get comfortable with your environment. Feel the music and the beats. Try not to overdo anything. Just get slowly and take every step with care. Target your neck, back, shoulders, toes, waist, fist, knees, and you are done with stretching. Wall slide. Lean your head back with buttocks posed against a wall. Make your shoulders relaxed and keep foot hip width apart. Stop whenever you feel uncomfortable and make sure to keep your body in balance. Hip raise. Lie down flat on the floor. Flex your knees and keep your feet flat on the ground. Keep your arms extended in your thighs. Make sure that your body is well supported by your feet and your arms. You can also go on small lazy walks to keep your body active but no brisk walking. Take the utmost care of yourself during the first trimester. As you are likely to feel nauseous and sick most of the time, keep your workout routine light. As you move toward the second trimester, you start to feel better, and it is the ideal time to do the pregnancy workouts. Here are the exercises that we recommend. Pelvic tilt. Assume a cat pose, palms flat on the floor, toes pointed towards the floor. Do not overstrain your back. Opening hips, stand straight and place your feet shoulder width apart. Now, bend your knees and lower your body and perform a deep squat. Release all your energy through your pelvis. Take 5 deep breaths while you are squatting and slowly stand up. Make sure you lower your hips down slowly. Stop immediately if anything feels uncomfortable. Pelvic stretches. Take an exercise ball and sit comfortably on the exercise ball with your back straight. Place your feet on the ground a bit wider than shoulder width apart. Now, stretch your body by moving your pelvis slightly forward and back. Repeat 20 times. Do not do this exercise alone if you are not confident. Try to perform this exercise with some elder around to hold you. Or ask your trainer to hold the exercise ball as you sit on it. Deep breathing. Sit at the silent corner of your home and in a comfortable position, putting your back straight. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Close your eyes and breathe in slowly. Now, exhale slowly. Repeat this 24 to 32 times every day. You can also try to inhale slowly through your nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. Stop immediately if you feel uncomfortable. Avoid the above exercises if the following points are found. Avoid if you have symptoms of hypertension, asthma, sudden fatigue, etc. If you're experiencing on and off vaginal bleeding. If you have a history of miscarriage. Experience regular contraction 30 minutes after exercise. If you're experiencing regular heaviness after exercises. Pregnancy exercises are extremely helpful and will increase the chances of normal delivery and reduce labor time and pain. Just keep a few important points in your mind and talk to your doctor before doing any pregnancy exercises. It's best to do these under the supervision of an expert. Take care.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.